Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican-style lentil soup. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of brown or green lentils, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 1 or 2 jalapeno peppers for a mild kick. Don't forget a good quality vegetable broth, fresh onion, garlic, and cilantro to build that authentic flavor base. This combination ensures a hearty and delicious start. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced onion, minced garlic, and chopped jalapeno peppers, sautéing them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're fragrant. Next, stir in the diced tomatoes and cook for another 5 minutes until they soften. Then, add your rinsed lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and your chosen spices. Once your soup has simmered, it's time to perfect those flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a little warmth. Give it a good stir and taste. If you prefer a thinner soup, add a bit more vegetable broth. Adjust the salt and black pepper to your liking, ensuring every spoonful is just right. Finally, your delicious Mexican-style lentil soup is ready to be served. Carefully ladle the warm, aromatic soup into individual bowls. For an extra burst of freshness and flavor, garnish each serving with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a bright squeeze of lime juice, and a few creamy slices of avocado. Enjoy this hearty and wholesome meal with warm corn tortillas or a piece of crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.